Hey guys, this is how to change a Blue Sky email. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go to the Blue Sky official site, and that now once you are here on the Blue Sky, you can just simply go ahead and go to the settings over here on the left side. And now once you are on the settings guys, you can just simply go ahead and go to the account over here. So just simply click on account, and from here you should be able to see this option change email. So click on that, and after that just simply provide your new email address guys. And now once you have provided it, just simply click on request change, and from there guys, an email will be sent to your previous address. So just simply go to your email. So guys, the email will look something like this. So just simply copy this code over here and go back to the Blue Sky and paste it over here and click on confirm changes. And now just simply click on verify new email address. And now just simply click on send confirmation email. And now just simply check your email into the new email that you want to change it with. So guys, the email will look something like this, and just simply copy this code over here and just simply go back to the Blue Sky and just simply paste it over here and click on confirm. And after that guys, you should be able to change your email. And there you go. See ya.